I'm having trouble with my introduction.
Yeah.
So I'm doing like phone setting. It's a personal development offer, and the offer is kind of general. So it's called
Right.
like fix. And when I'm making my introduction, like since there could be like so many causes, like problems, I don't know how to like properly introduce it. Where it's
Hmm.
like not so general, but it's still like they know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So is the calls that you're making, are these people opting in or do they not know
No.
about
Oh no, no. They leave their info, but it's only for like a quick video.
you? Okay. So they do know a little bit about you guys. They've seen you online at least. So there's brand
Mhm.
awareness. Well, okay. Do you want to do your current intro with me now and then I can help you adjust it?
Yeah, for sure.
Cool. Yeah, just do it. Just do a normal
So
call.
all right, so hey Taylor.
Yeah. Who's this?
Hi Taylor. So this is just a quick call. I'm calling from it seems that you asked for a quick video yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, I opt into a lot of things. I can't remember what is it about?
It's just a quick video explaining to you how you can fix pretty much like improve your life. Was that something that you were looking for specifically?
Well, I mean, it'd be amazing if I could fix my brain, but I don't know if that's possible or not. Can you talk me more through it, like how it works?
Yeah, so basically what you I've actually never had someone answer this way.
That's fine. That's fine. Cool. I just being difficult, but no, that's fine.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I think you can kind of humanize that a little bit. So, let me do an intro to you, just see the difference.
Okay.
Cool. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, it's just Taylor over here with the team. Does that name jog a memory for you?
Yes, yes, I think I saw a video yesterday.
Yeah, that's right. It was on Instagram. You opted in a day ago just to learn more about what we actually do. I guess yeah. What made you want to opt in and learn more about us?
I mean, I'm always looking for things to improve my life, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay, and obviously staying on topic of like improving your life. In the type of facet of things. Like, in what way are you trying to improve your life at the moment? If I could ask.
I'm just trying to feel a bit better. Seems like I'm always down, and yeah.
Okay, no worries. And just so I'm aware, like what things have you been trying to help yourself like feel a bit better?
I've been reading, I've been going on walks, I've been watching videos. I've been trying a lot.
So we seem to be like consuming information at the moment, like doing some sort of like a daily discipline, right? Something along those
Mhm.
lines. Cool. Okay. And then what's caused you to go down that path of doing things rather than like I guess anything else? There's lots of things you can do.
Just seems like the easiest way, if I'm being honest.
Okay. No, I hear it and I appreciate your honesty. And with regards to like, reading, going out for walks, whatever that might be, like what is it you like about doing that stuff? Like what does that give you?
It gives me a like happiness in the moment.
Okay. So it seems like, there's moments where you are feeling happy, right? But circling back to what you did mention about like feeling like sad, disappointed at times, like can you walk me through what that even looks like for you on a like a day-to-day basis?
Yeah, so basically when I wake up, there's days where like I know what I have to do, but I just can't get myself to do it. Like
Mm.
I would stay in bed, I would like I just can't do it.
Like would we put that more as like down as like procrastination specifically? Like we want to do things, but we just are holding ourselves back. Like, or correct me if I'm wrong.
I would say no, it's not procrastination. It's more I'm procrastinating, but I'm lacking motivation.
Lacking motivation, right? So it's even further, deep rooted, right? And how long has
Mhm.
that been an issue for?
About like a year and a half.
Okay, and you knowing that it's been a year and a half, which it's quite a bit of time. Like, how has that been for you dealing with that?
It's been tough. It's been tough.
Tough. Okay, in what way?
Sometimes like I I forget that I have to do things. I don't do things that I must do, and it just kind of goes like on a downward spiral in my life.
Right, right. I hear it, and no, apologies to hear that. So I guess as far as like where you want to be, because everyone wants to kind of do this for a reason, like let's assume that we sort the a lack of motivation out. You know, feel a lot more motivated. You become disciplined in what you do. You feel ultimately happier and more fulfilled in your life. Like, how does that difference in life look for you? Like, what would you like to feel, and how would that impact the things that you do?
I mean, I'm sure I would feel good, but it's been such a long time that I don't know how it would feel. I can't imagine myself feeling this way.
Okay. Well, if we really gave it some thought, though, because I know it's challenging, but like if we really gave it some thought, how would you like things to be?
I mean, yeah, I'd like to be more motivated, even like sleeping better,
Mm.
waking up, like getting to my tasks. That would feel
Yeah.
good for sure.
Cool. Anything else? I'm glad we're thinking about what we want from life. Like, what else? What else do we want?
Because like in life, my job, everything else, it's pretty good. It's just that like my mental is not right. So I'm sure that if I was like feeling better mentally,
Hmm.
then everything else would also be better.
I see. Cool. And like, are you married as well? Like, you have like relationships you're managing as well? Or is it just you?
Not just me.
Just you. Okay. So, you know, it's easier for you to look after yourself when, you know, you have yourself to look after. Sometimes it's easier having responsibilities, but everyone's different. We understand that. Okay. So there's very a clear, you know, I guess gap that we have as far as what we want. What do we think is the biggest thing holding us back from getting to that point?
I just don't know how to fix myself.
Okay. So simply just not having the knowledge, right? Quite simple.
Because I've tried like a few things, but it seems it doesn't work. So
Sure.
I'm kind of short on ideas.
Sure, no worries. And that's something that we do typically help with is providing that knowledge and expertise so that you know what to do so that you can get to where you want to be. And then this is where I go into like the qualifications, right? So more like
Hmm.
logistics and stuff. But yeah, like I mean, you kind of made it easy for me at the start because you recognized who I was. So I didn't need to use a problem statement, but I thought I'd go through the whole role play anyway. Um,
Hmm.
can you just do a quick intro where you're like you don't recognize me? Like you have
Okay,
no
perfect.
idea.
Yeah.
Do that quick. Um, hello, is that a
Yes, who's this?
Hey, yeah, it's just Taylor here, over with the. Does that ring a bell for you?
No, I don't know.
No, no problem. So you may have remembered it was about 2 hours ago. You opted in to look at one of our videos on like how to essentially what we call fix your brain, right? To rewire yourself to be more motivated and do the things you want to do. Like, do you remember clicking on something like that?
Wow. With how I am right now, like I'm always looking for motivation, but it doesn't ring any bells.
No
Like I've been
problem.
looking at a few things.
That's totally fine. So, I mean, so the reason why people look into what we do is because oftentimes we come across people that are lacking motivation, they're feeling anxiety, some levels of depression for some people as well. And then essentially what we do is create systems in place for people to feel a lot better themselves, get more fulfillment from life so that they can be more motivated and get things done. I guess, is that something that would
Hmm.
even apply to your situation right now? It seems like it might, but correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, that would be interesting.
Cool. Okay. So I mean, assuming that you did opt into something like that, what would you need to, I guess, look for help with when it comes to motivation and feeling better,
It's pretty much just like being more motivated
being more
on a
motivated?
day-to-day basis.
Cool. And now I'm going through, okay, so like what are you currently doing to be more motivated in situation? That's it. So that's how I pivot
Okay,
that,
okay,
right?
okay, I see. Yeah, yeah. So you just take like the general idea instead of like just offer a specific idea.
Yeah. It's just like you kind of need to speak to the prospect, like, oh, I'm feeling demotivated. Oh, you know, I'm feeling anxious. I'm feeling depressed. Like that's what it needs to remind them of. Right? It's
Hmm.
like, oh yeah, I feel
Okay.
like that sometimes, and like, oh, okay, yeah, that would relate to me, rather than like, oh, we
Hmm.
offer this, we offer that. It's not nothing about that. It's about what prospects, problems the prospects have, right? So
Hmm.